I received some questions from my viewers and they were asking me that the Stanbic mutual fund, is it only in my home country that they can invest in that particular mutual fund? If you are not a Nigerian, that means if you are from any other country, you can invest in Stanbic mutual fund. And that is the Stanbic Dollar Mutual Fund. So that is the reason why I have put up this video, to give you a full detail on how you can invest in Stanbic Dollar Mutual Fund. These are going to be my outline for today's content. Number one, I'm going to be looking at what is Stanbic Dollar Mutual Fund. Two, who are those people that can invest in Stanbic Dollar Mutual Fund? What are the benefits of investing in Stanbic Dollar Mutual Fund? What are the requirements for investing in Stanbic Mutual Funds? How can you invest in Stanbic Dollar Mutual Funds? How your returns are going to be paid. Finally, how you are going to monitor your investment. All this I will be sharing with you on this particular content. So if you are interested, stick around and watch this video till the end. Permit me to use this medium to give a shout out to a new member of this channel. His channel name is The Real. So The Real, you are welcome. Thank you for choosing Money Stream. And if you are also interested, you want to be part of our community, you want to be a member of this channel, go ahead and click on join that is before your screen, or check the link that is pinned down on the comment section and do the needful. Automatically you become a member. It is a community where we come together to grow up our wealth as a team. So without wasting much of your time, let us go into the business of today. Now, what is Stanbic Dollar Mutual Fund? It is a fund that is denominated in the US dollar. Sometimes people will prefer to invest in dollar because of the depreciation of the Naira, as most of us are aware of, especially we from this part of the country. It's for investors who are interested to preserve their wealth in dollars. Who are those people that can invest in Stanbic Dollar Mutual Funds? Nigerians can invest in it. Non-Nigerians can invest in it. Nigerians that are in diaspora can also invest in it. Corporate bodies can invest in it. And please take note, if you are not up to 18 years, you cannot invest into it. It is only your parent that can invest into it on your behalf, and it is called a trustee account or a custodian account. So the moment you get to 18, that account will be transferred to you. Now let's look at the benefits of investing in Stanbic Dollar Mutual Fund. Dollar denominated returns. The returns you are going to be getting will be in dollars. So it is a way of preventing your investment from Naira depreciation. Value of money last month, you can't compare to the value of money presently now. What is the reason behind it? It is as a result of the devaluation of Naira. The purchasing power is getting lower and lower and lower. Those things that you can buy in the last 2-3 weeks, when you go to the market today, when you can't even buy that same quantity of items. One benefit of investing in Stanbic Dollar Mutual Fund is that it's a way of protecting your money from Naira depreciation. The second benefit is capital preservation. It is a way of preserving your money. Your actual money which you have invested will be intact. While you'll be getting an income, you'll be getting your interest quarterly. You can decide to withdraw the interest, or you can even decide to reinvest your interest. But the actual capital which you have invested will still be there intact. So it is a way of preserving your capital. The third one is a periodic income. So by investing in Stanbic Dollar Mutual Fund, you have already set for yourself a periodic income that comes quarterly. So you are rest assured that every quarter you have a certain amount of money that is coming into your account. Another benefit is that Stanbic Dollar Mutual Fund is managed by professionals. Stanbic is one of the top investment firms that you can think of. So you are rest assured that your money is being managed by experts. So they manage the risks on your behalf, and you are assured of your returns at the end of every quarter. Now we have looked at what the Stanbic Dollar Mutual Fund is, who are those people that can invest in it, the benefit of investing in Dollar Mutual Fund. So now let us look at the requirements. You want to invest in Dollar Mutual Fund. Now, what are those requirements for you to invest in Stanbic Dollar Mutual Fund? One, you need your international passport or your national identification number. You will need a passport photograph. You will need to open a domiciliary account. You will also need a utility bill. This is for your address, and the utility bill you'll be providing, it should be within 3 months, at least for the last 3 months. You provide your utility bill. The essence of this is to get your accurate address. And another thing that you should take note is that for the Stanbic Dollar Mutual Fund, the minimum amount you can invest is $100, and it is in the multiple of $100. You can invest $100, $200, $300. It is always in the multiple of $100. So you must take note of that. Now, let's look at how to invest in the Stanbic Dollar Mutual Fund. We have two options. I'm going to be talking about the two options here. But before I go further, if at this point you are getting value from this content, please go ahead and give it a like. And do not forget to share to your loved ones that might want to have information or want to have knowledge about this particular content. For the option A, the first thing you are going to do is to create an account, and you do that by getting your active email address and a password. That is the requirement for you to create that account. That's if you have not created any account before. But if you have an account already with the Stanbic IBTC mutual funds, the only thing you will do is to log in with your active email address and the password which you have already used before. Then the next thing is to click on the Stanbic Dollar Mutual Fund. There are a variety of mutual funds that you are going to be seeing there. So you go for Stanbic Dollar Mutual Fund. You now enter the investment amount. That is the particular amount of money which you want to invest. Remember, it is in a multiple of $100. Is it $100 you want to invest? Is it $200? Is it $300? Depending on your investment goal and your choice. You can transfer the money to the platform through wire transfer or through your dollar card payments. So you can use either of these methods to transfer the money into your wallet. And after that, a message will pop up to show that you have successfully made payments for this particular mutual fund. Now, the second option is you going to the Stanbic IBTC branch that is close to you. When you visit the branch, you ask for the mutual fund desk and let them know why you are there. They will give you a form to fill, and after that, you are going to fund your domiciliary account and start investment immediately. So either of these two options, if you are finding option A difficult to do it on your own at home, you can visit any Stanbic bank that is close to you and do the investment. Now let's look at how the interests are being paid. I said it earlier that the interests are paid quarterly. And there are two major factors that determines the returns that you get quarterly. One is the fund performance, while secondly is your portfolio earnings. Now, the fund performance, if you go to the site, which is www.stambicassetmanagement.com, www.stambicassetmanagement.com, that is their official website. Now, let's talk about the fund performance. The moment you enter the site, you will see the mutual fund, and just below it, you will see YTD and you will see percentage. You will see some carrying 5%, 8%. That is showing you the performance of that particular mutual fund from the beginning of that current year till date. So with that, you will know that that percentage is telling you that that is the extra earnings that has been added to the previous amount that it was in the previous year. The higher the percentage, the higher the returns that you also get. Another thing is your portfolio earnings. The amount you invest will also determine what you will get. You can't earn the same interest with someone that invested $500. You that invested $100, you won't get the same interest with someone that invested $500. So these are the two major factors that determine the returns that you will get quarterly. Now, lastly, how do you monitor your investment? Because it is very important. It's just like you going to the farm to plant. When you go to plant, you don't just go and fold your arms and start sleeping. You go to time and check, is there weeds that you need to clear? Is there pests? So the same way, when you invest, you need to monitor your investment and see if it is progressing as expected. And you can do that through the Stanbic Mutual Fund, the app. It has an app that you can download. So depending on the device you are using, you can download it from Play Store and you can download it from Apple Store. So depending on the device you are using, that will help you to monitor. Time to time, you will see the progress in your investment. So at this point, we have come to the end of today's content. Now that you have know how to invest in Stanbic Dollar Mutual Fund, take the next step and build your financial future. Start small and stay consistent, and let your dollar work for you. Do not keep that fund to stay idle. Put your money to work for you. Thank you for your lovely time. Do have a pleasant day. Bye.